Welcome to your anxiety meditation. What I'd like you to do first is let's just find a comfortable spot in your home to recline. Let's ensure your physical comfort more than anything right now. Your central nervous system has been going crazy, and now it's our turn to give it a break. Find your favorite pillow, maybe a soft blanket, and let's just prioritize giving your physical body some rest. As you recline here, what I'd like you to do is just focus on relaxing all of your muscles, starting with those little ones in your skull, moving down to your jaw and your tongue, and of course all of that tension in your neck and shoulders. Let's just relax everything there, just kind of wiggle it out. And now let's move down into your core. Almost as though your shoulders will drip closer to the earth, allowing your belly to take whatever shape it desires right here, right now. And feeling the weight in your legs just so heavy, like a nice weighted blanket being placed on top of them. Good. Let's send some fresh oxygen into your circulatory system so we can begin awakening your rational centers in your brain. 2 big deep breaths in here. Good. Now what I'd like to do is focus in on the experience of the anxiety. I know that the voice and the tale of anxiety may have been going and playing on repeat for quite some time. So let's just identify what it is, all of that powerlessness that's consuming your body, and the emotion that comes with it. That is also incredibly powerful. But what I'd like you to do right now is let's just turn off the narrative and swipe away all the labeling we give to the emotion. Swipe away all the labeling that we slap on the physical experience to label an emotion. And let's identify this physical experience as nothing more than a physical experience. Maybe we might call it a tingling or a restlessness, tension in the chest, or maybe even a pressure. Focusing on this experience as nothing more than neurons firing in your fascia and all throughout your body. Let's just focus on this as nothing more than a capacity your body has. Doing this will allow parasympathetic to activate, giving back to your body its natural resources for getting back into cool, calm, and collected. Now let's identify the eye of this anxiety storm. Where is it the most disturbing? Place one hand in that area, allowing some self-soothing care. And from that eye of the storm, I want you to move out in all of directions, and let's find how big the storm is. If it's in your chest, maybe it hits the bottom of your rib cage, or maybe it even travels all the way down into your legs. If so, that would be fine. No pressure here. Let's move over to your left. Maybe it stops at your shoulder, or maybe it goes all the way down into your arm. Again, finding the outer perimeter of this anxiety cloud. Let's do the same thing for the right side of the body. And of course, let's go up through the chest and into the head, finding how concise and contained this anxiety is, or maybe how rampant. Either way, it's okay. What I'd like you to do now is just use some nice, big, deep breaths. And as you do this, I want you to envision that all of that fresh oxygen is hitting the parameter of this anxiety cloud. Again, no pressure. I don't want you to feel like you have to perform somehow, or like you should be doing something. We're just going to let your parasympathetic nervous system do it for you. Here in your comfortable spot, I want you to just focus in on visualizing that fresh oxygen hitting the outer parameter of the storm. If you've ran titration often enough, your storm will begin to shrink nice and gently. And if this is your first time, it may require a little bit more patience. We're training your central nervous system how to do its job. Again, no pressure. We just want to be very gentle with your physical body here. It has endured a lot. What I'd like you to do is just spend some time using some nice big deep breaths, envisioning the storm cloud as it shrinks. I'm going to leave you to it for a little while, so hit the pause button until your storm is just about gone. Great. Nice job. Let's just take a couple deep breaths here together as you send all of that fresh oxygen to what remains in your storm cloud. Good. As you feel this anxiety storm cloud dissipating and leaving your body, I want you to see what happens. Oftentimes I feel relief, sometimes even joy, and most often I feel neutral in the cloud as anxiety leaves the body and parasympathetic nervous system give us a whoosh of pleasurable experience. With your eyes closed, I want you to just take note of what this positivity or neutrality feels like in your body. I want you to examine it so well that you can hang on to this as you open your eyes. Last final big deep breath here. Good. Again, hanging on to this positive or neutral experience, I want you to open your eyes and just let them float wherever they may. This piece is really important because we're allowing your central nervous system to recalibrate, labeling this as the new baseline, using this as the marker to bring you back to cool, calm, and collected. Big deep breath here. Wonderful. This is Isaac Archuleta. I wish you a great day.